going, guys? It's Billy and Billy from Team Scrubboat, back with another video. We just got done with a full day of dog driving. We had 4 hunts today, and we had a ton of good footage. And the first hunt, I saw 2 does, Dad saw 2 does, and David Cook had a camera. He shot at a 9-point, right?
Big deer.
He shot a big deer. So we're just hoping we got that deer on camera, and it's some good footage to show you guys. JR also killed a 6-point too. We'll show you guys a picture of that deer in the video. And Brantley got himself a really big doe today, 141 pounds. So we'll put in a picture of that as well. That was a really big deer. And me and Dad, we hunted together on the last hunt, and we saw a doe as well, but it was too far and we couldn't get a good view of it. Brock had a camera as well, so we'll show you guys footage of him turning out and him and his dogs. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This should be a really good one. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, first hunt of the day. Got a nice field in front. Woods back there. Ought to be a good hunt. First hunt of the day. We're hunting all day today, so we'll have a lot more footage. So hopefully we'll get some good stuff and maybe kill a deer or 2. So, alright, I'll cut you back on when the hunt starts.
At it. No baseball this weekend, so here we are this morning. I've had this stand before, you've seen it. Doe day. So hopefully I'll get a shot on camera. I ain't gonna say kill, I ain't gonna jinx myself. So we'll see what happens. Bring it back on in a minute.
Lock them locks, but I put the dog box over, it don't matter. You mind being on YouTube? Alright, we're gonna walk some cotton. We got Pretty Boy with us, my wife, Eddie, JR. We'll see what happens here in just a minute. Let me get my orange cap on. I'm gonna walk this little bit right here behind you just in case. Hey, there he goes!
Buck? Yep. Big one? Yep. I turned this boy. Good shot, buddy. Might be another one right here.
It might.
Might be another one.
Sure enough. The joker was laying tight, wasn't he? I could see the flicker of horn when it got up. You just walked through this too.
I walked about 50 yards away. I was coming over here though. That's taking me. Huh? I got it right there.
Good. Let's check this one out and we'll go jump some more. I ain't too shabby, is it?
Right here inside the neck, them number 4s don't play.
Good job, man. Good job.
First one for a season. He just got the quivers.
We can get the trucks around here. Y'all let me slip, let me hit the back of that in case there's another one there, and then we'll hit the cotton and go back, okay?
Alright. You'd have missed that one. I'd have never let you hear that. I had to wait.
Jeez.
Road, I'll liable to shoot one now. I get close to a road, I might shoot one. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hey, there he goes! Damn big one too, boy.
Kill him?
I don't think so.
Go! Go!
He got me too damn excited.
Kill him?
I don't see him laying here. I put buckshot all in him, though. Damn, what a buck.
He is. He is. He is. He is. He is.
Haggle, 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 haggle.
He is. He
Woo!
is.
Get
Get him, Tank. Get him. Get him, Tank. Get him, Tank. That's him. Get him, Russ. Get him, Russ. Get him. He didn't go that way. Hey, hey. Right here, right here.
Haggle, 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 haggle. Yeah.
Yeah, somewhere.
I don't think he went back out in the middle of the field.
He ain't laying there.
I have my gun ready for him. Come here, Tank.
Well, well, well. Well. Well.
About 5 minutes later, here comes that little dog. He got it. He got it. Alright guys, we're in a second hunt this morning. About 11. Got some good footage from that first hunt, it looks like. I think David shot at a very nice buck. Hopefully he got the buck on camera. Mr. Brantley killed probably one of the biggest does I've ever seen. Billy should got some pictures of it. So we'll get this hunt started and we'll see what happens.
Come on here, come on here, come on here, come on here. Come on. Honey boy. Honey boy. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Good race there. Feel him, baby. Well, yeah. Maria! Woo!
Mm-hmm. You better shoot.
No,
What was that, a doe?
look like it.
Mid-size?
I think that's all. I can barely see it.
Let me mark that. I can see it.
No, I get a video of it.
Come on here, yeah. Woo! Somebody out?